Arusha Patel, living in Baroda since basically Barodian, true Barodian, born and brought up here. And my husband is a director in Sri Dinesh Mills. I have my own little studio where I do designing since years. And with age, I have decided to now a little bit slow down. So taking it easy, especially after the lockdown, I felt I should give it a break to myself and do other things which I always wanted to do, like knitting, and so basically slowing down now in life. But yes, badminton is my passion, and that one thing I'm never going to give up, hopefully, till I am fit to play. So basically 360 degrees came as a rescue to me. Before few months I had a badminton tournament which was quite challenging, and I was completely committed to that particular tournament. And I was practicing one day at the court, and I don't know what went wrong and I twisted my ankle. I was really upset because that was right before the tournament, before 3-4 days. This happened on Friday and the tournament was starting from Monday. And I thought of Dr. Sumit because I had heard about him a lot. My trainer told me, man, don't go anywhere, just rush to Sumit sir. He's going to take care of you. And I immediately called him up. I said, I need to see you right away because I need. And my ankle was like swollen. I don't think so I could have played with that condition for maybe next 3 weeks or maybe a month, you know. If I could have gone to any other place, I'm sure they must have told me to rest for a month. I said, nothing doing, I won't play the tournament no matter what. And he told me, calm down, come here and we'll take care of you. So I went there, and I think he was a little bit tied up with something, but he had arranged everything for me. Janvi, a girl there, therapist there, she took care of me. She just gave me a very aggressive treatment, and she told me that, ma'am, just 2 days, don't play, come here morning, evening, I'm going to give you a treatment which will help you go through your tournament. And I trusted them blindly, and I knew it that they'll make me play. That was my whole aim. I wanted to play on Monday. And basically 3 days I took vigorous treatment at 360 degrees. Thanks to Sumit sir, thanks to the whole team. I was just all set to play on Monday, and I think there were a lot of people who were not sure whether I'll be able to play. And when they saw me at the badminton court, they were like, all shocked. Are you sure you're going to play with your ankle? And they all had seen my ankle, and it was like really swollen. So they were very confident that I was going to pass the tournament. No ways in that condition, in 3 days, I could have been, ready to play the badminton tournament. And it worked out. Thanks to Dr. Sumit, the whole team, the treatment, the aggressive treatment they gave me. And I'm like, since that day, a little injury or any pain, I blindly go there, and I'm like, I know I'm going to be fine. And another thing, what I love is they never discourage you. Dr. Sumit will never ever, or any of their staff members would never tell you, no ma'am, you're in bad condition, you can't play, you have to rest. I've experienced that when you go to any doctor, they would firstly say, okay, stop playing, stop running, stop doing this, stop doing that, you're injuring yourself. He's the one who will always say, you are playing, don't worry, it's my duty to make you fit. And he actually does that. So thank you